Well, here it is, day 2 in Panama. Today was a very big day 2. I did a lot in day 2. I got up at about 7:30, had a very quick breakfast, and I was out in a light drizzle at about 8:30 a.m. At about 9 o'clock, the drizzle had completely stopped. Still had beautiful overcast skies, billowing clouds, and I rented a bike. I find that renting a bike is the best and cheapest way to see the city. So I put that bike to good use. I'm not going to show you the entire day 2 because it will be very long, but in this day 2, as I just mentioned, I rented a bike, did a lot of bike riding around Panama City. I did not finish. I'm going to save some of it for future videos, but today I took the Mini 4 Pro up and captured some stunning footage. So that's what this video is about. In the next day 2 video, I'll show you this incredible bike ride on this beautiful path here in Panama City. And let me tell you guys something. Panama City has it going on.